Okay, bring the basket here. Rasna? Huh? Where's your pocket?
Pocket.
Hmm?
Pocket.
You have koi?
Pocket.
Where do you put the koi?
Pocket.
Where do you put the koi? Huh? You put it in your pocket? Where's koi? Where's your koi? Give it back to me. Give it back to mommy. Come on. Where's your koi? Hey, Ranak, come here. Come here, let's clean up the mess. I know, there's car. Well, clean up the mess. Did you make a mess? What is that? What is that? Band? Is that a band?
Go.
Yeah, car is not here yet. Come, let's clean up. What is this? Who made the mess? Yeah, who made the mess? Huh?
Mommy.
What did you do? Ranak, what did you do here?
Do.
Huh?
Do.
What did you do? Make a mess? Huh? What? What did you do? Can you guys pick up all the toys? Guys? Ranak? What's that? Who is that? Baby? What's baby doing? What's baby doing? The baby is going nine. What did you feed her? Did you feed her something? Is she hungry? Where are you going? You gonna get a blankie for her? Yeah, I see. Ranak, what are you doing, baby? Huh? Did you make a mess? Ranak? Wait, Ranak. So you got a blankie for the baby. Oh, touchy. What's baby doing? Oh, you're gonna put her to sleep? Yeah. Oh, so sweet. Don't squish her. You're laying on top of her. You're gonna smother her. Pocket? What happened? You lost your coin? Where is it? You lost it. You lost it. You found it. What is that? Let's hear. Yes, here. Now you have your pocket. Yes. Where's the pocket? Yes. What do you have in your pocket? What do you have? You have your koi in your pocket. Good job. Yes. Who made a mess? Huh? You made a mess? Come here. Hey. Come here. Let's clean. Let's clean it before Daddy comes home. Huh? Come. Let's go. Clean it. Can you pick up the toys?
Go.
What happened to the car? Did Daddy turn it off? Off. Who turned it off? Daddy turned it off? What happened? Battery dead? Oh, Daddy turned it off. I know. I know. I don't know how to turn it on. I can't do anything, baby.
Off.
It is off. Ask her to sit down. Yeah, Sissy. Where is Sissy going? Hi, Sissy. Come back here. Call her back. Sissy. Brother is calling you. Come. Come on, sit down. He's asking you to sit down. Come. Where's Sissy?
Off.
What happened? Where's the pocket?
Pocket.
Baby, I know.
Baby.
But Oh, you're giving her a kiss. That's so sweet. Did you give baby a nice kiss? Who is Nana? Baby is Nana? Yes, baby is going Nana. Rashna is pushing her. She's going to kill her.
Mama.
That's not Mama. That's baby.
Baby.
Yeah. No, it's not Mama.
Baby.
Baby. That's right.
Baby.
It's baby. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? What happened? Bucket. Bucket is right there. Bucket is right there.
Bucket.
Yes.
The bucket.
Can you guys clean it up? Can you guys clean up all the mess? Who's going to clean it up?
Me.
Yeah.
Me.
Who made it? Who made all this mess? Huh? Ranak make it? Did Ranak make all the mess? Huh? Who made the mess? Ranak? Okay, let's go. Let's go see if Daddy is home. Okay? And you can go for a...
Daddy, go.
Yes. That's your truck. Oh, I know, that's your truck, go baby. Where is Daddy? Where did Daddy go? What is that? Is that a horsey? That's a baby on a horsey?
Baby.
Yes. What is baby doing? Sitting on a horse? Playing on a horse? Okay. Say bye. Bye. Tata. Can you say bye-bye, Rashna?
Baby.
Shoes. Baby is wearing shoes. Yes. You're right. Where is baby's eyes? Can you show me? Where is her? That's her shoes. Where is her eye? Can you show me her eyes? Where is baby's eyes?
Shoes.
Yeah, this is that's her eyes.
Eyes.
Eyes? Yes. Where is her nose? Where is her nose? Yeah.
Taco.
That's a truck. Yep. That's it.
Taco.
That's a big truck. Yes. Where's your car? Where's your car?
Go.
That's right. That's your car. Okay. Say bye-bye. Rashna, say bye-bye. Can you give me a kiss? Rashna, give me a kiss. Blow me a kiss. Bye. 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 Bye, guys. See ya. Bye-bye.